Uh, Good morning. This is my market update. Our trade ended up closing bullish, which is fine. It is very much okay with me. So now just see how this other daily end up closing, and then we'll we'll make a decision on what analysis on what to expect next. Okay. Uh, but so far this is fine. Then Eurocard price hasn't yet broken below, ended up breaking above. So today let's hope we get that break below. Uh GPAUD price ended up buying more. See? So just that small gap of price breaking and not retesting makes even the trade what go the other direction, you see? But if price was to retest and give us the engulfing, price should have still been selling up to now. Just because we didn't get that, I slowed down because I knew price has to come back here and you see what happens. Just sells a bit, then it takes you out. So then NCD card, interestingly, I avoided this sale and you see what price did? Price made another lower high and another lower low. So now just waiting for a shift. Once I get that shift, then I'll look for a buy. See? AUD card price has broken below, but I need to come back this pivot, then we can join the sales. Then GP USD price has shifted. We are now bullish on the 4 hour. So there are low chances of getting this retest, but getting a buy might take place. Okay. Uh I think that's it. Okay. Uh That you later. I think that well. You didn't have anything to share, no? Yeah. Man, mm. Okay, guys. So my quick market update right now. This is GPUSD. I told you because of this engulfing and this 4 hour shift, price is not likely going to come back here. Maybe this week it won't. I doubt. So that's why you're seeing this push. Then AD card price is now trading below, so I need it back into this zone. So it can come back and respect my pivot level. Yeah, then breaks outside, and then I can now execute myself, right? NZD card. Remember what I told you that price will sell, and I was telling you that yesterday. Yeah, I was telling you that yesterday that if price makes a lower low then shifts, we can then buy. And today you've seen it has happened, just as I told you. And now we just need 4 to break. Once the 4 breaks, then we can start strategizing our entry. Okay. GBP price has broken above and we've saved ourselves from this loss because of just that one simple rule of waiting for a retest. Okay. We just needed a retest, but price didn't give that. So for you. this loss straight like that. And now all we need is price to give us something we can work with. But as for now, this trade is no longer valid this week. Okay. Mm, so then we have Euro GBP still expecting price to break below, but it seems price might make a new high. Then this will be our new entry point. But as it stands, uh, we are still, let me try to see. Yeah, as it stands, we are still here. Okay, so let's work on that. And then our trade is running at this point. Now, I told you since price has been tested, we expect an engulfing. So this engulfing will now give us the final push we need to be set. We need that final push now. Okay. So that's what we wait on. Price to go for us. But as of now, everything is fine. And if you want, this can be a very nice entry. Right now, just put your stop here and take profit right around this level. Yeah, but for me, I take profit is somewhere here. Yeah, anyway, that's what we have. And I'll see you, I think, at first this new open. Yeah, this is 4 a.m., 4 p.m., sorry. This is market update. This is trade. I can see price did exactly what I told you. After this retest, expect price to buy. As you can see, that's what price has done. So for now, it's just free fall. I'll see how price will move. Okay, see how price will move because it has broken past this level. So let's see how it moves. Okay. If it want to retest this level again or to be a further push. Okay. So we'll see. Uh, just move. Mm, then Bitcoin. Uh, try to analyze. Oh, yes, this one. Price is finally breaking above my level. So you can clearly see that this is just how market nowadays is doing. When we test it, it's always having that deeper pullback and then price starts buying now. Okay. Until it breaks outside. And once it breaks outside, it's building this kind of formation, this kind of price action, if you can see. And then price is coming back here, you and golf. Then why? Because once test what the pivot, like I always tell you. And then price starts buying. So this is something I'm trying to study. Uh, something I'm trying to add to my strategy. Okay. Yeah, so as you can see, price respect to the pivot. Now price is pulling buying up, and the daily time frame is still bullish. And the only reason why I'm not buying is I just wanted to break past this level and make a new high, because this will be my high low. And once it does this, I'll then look at this new pivot that price will form. It should be this one, and then this other one here. Okay, this one will be kind of valid. No, it can be valid, but I can just give it this color. Okay, then if price breaks above, then we get the retest tomorrow. I can buy off here. Okay. Uh, Trust me, I know I'm doing this. I shifted, yes, and price is making it high. Yeah, that's fine, but you never know how these things move. Okay, that's why I'm just giving it what happened. Next is Nasdaq. This is in the very bad trend. This is the low high, high low, low. So, and the far is bearish too. So the daily is bearish too. Yeah, but the weekly is still bullish. So it's more of a weekly retest, but the daily got affected. So I can't really even waste time in there. For ZAR USD, I told you price has to start buying. So, and what it has done is it has corrected that buy. As you can see, uh, price ended up breaking above the 4 hour again. Like I told you that I can see this head and shoulder, you see? And that's what price has done. Respected this. So now, since you respected this, don't mind this long candle. Price will still come back here. Okay? Price will still come back right here. Give you the entry in here. In fact, price won't even just come back right here. It will come back at this point here. So you can see that my strategy is not playing games. And then it will shift, then it will buy. This is what will happen if it wants me to enter in this buy. If not, they can have it. It's fine. We move on. Okay. Uh, Next is Euro GBP. Price is so much with strength, by the way. I just don't know why it didn't drop like this around. Because this one, I didn't buy like this one because GP gained much. So they're expecting a very huge drop of one time frame. I didn't do that. So that's fine. Uh, just wait for price, but it made the new high. So this would be now our interest point, unfortunately. Yeah. Yeah. So this means the good part is now be selling at a very nice stable place. Okay. Where if the engulfing just reaches this level, you can catch the sell. Okay. Because now things have changed, right? These equal lows, prices make equalize them throughout the break. So if this far candlestick has shifts, we have a nice GBP price is now very much bullish, and the only way I can buy, I can sell is if price makes a lower low, higher low, and a higher high, then shift. That's when I can come back to this pair. NZD USD, I can see what price has finally done. Price has broken above everything I was expecting. Okay. Now since we're above this level, uh that's the matter of waiting. Okay. The same price action you're seeing here and the same price action you're seeing here will follow at this pair because they're all the same. So very soon Eurocard GP card will also have this bullish push. Okay. Uh, so then now you can see that price has shifted, so we just need price to retest. Uh, Price can come back here and retest. Yeah, price is broken above, price is retested. The only bad part is because it's new obsession. New obsession is never really for retest. New obsession continues the momentum most of the time. Yeah, so it's high likely price can just have one week pullback, then price continues buying. One one thing I've discovered is this price moves tricky. So you've seen this push, right? Then on our time frame, this issue and the price is selling, right? For Euro card, but it's the same thing fighting card, right? So very soon this will be in this way. Maybe to just be late by 5 minutes, but very soon price will do that. You can see the exact push. Price low, high, high. You can see even here, high, low, high, high. So you will see also this will change very, you see it has been started changing. Same with this one. This one has been started changing already. High, low, high, high. Why? It has to, why is it changing like this? You can ask me. Uh, it has to respect the trend in the higher in this pair. Okay. So this is high likely going to close the same way as price is closed here. So next is AUD card. Price has retested my pivot. Price has retested my pivot. And from here, I need it to sit around this level. At least with this one now candle, then price can start selling. Okay. So we'll be around here for some time before we can get the final drop. Okay. And lastly is GBP USD. I told you price won't retest here because price shifted on the forward time frame. And this is the result of what happened. Uh, so I think that's it. And we'll see how price respects these levels, the forward time frame. Yeah, I'll see you at 8. Yeah, you on the road again. I just remember a week when last time I was looking by this game. I didn't know that the US was having a meeting with Coinbase. If I knew, only if I knew, what here. Oh, they didn't respect us. Price of that continent there. And so, of course, all these markets. Very, only I see trades like this one. I think they can. That's the price. No, because I was in a trade. Yeah, come back here. I was also in a trade. And now I'm still in a trade. Like, has helped me because saved me from losses like this one, where price was supposed to sell, but price in the campaign. You will gain more um, pricing, yeah? Which I expected. Okay, okay. No, not in this one. They are not there. GPPAD, you can see price had a very nice push, and all of a sudden price again has sold. Yeah, perfect. But for this one, the selling is fine because now I expect price to be high, meaning GDP will still be in favor of him because of this. I'm trying to make it. So, yeah, thank you. People be clear to So for the GPA, it is kind of still time of this momentum. Yeah. Yeah, it's fine, but the one bad part is why Polish man. So the best score is that it didn't just barely like the shift from okay more. This is crazy, and this is one of the things I always tell you about putting my face of price. You always will find, regardless of how good you get, that you always will find that process. A few hours ago, one people is the one thing. The price making where we thought this would be impossible because of the daily at this point. The price was, and what did you think when this is the trade? You possibly think that price is nowhere coming down here, right? What price drops. And this will be a very volatile for because you have meetings again the next time. Yeah. Yeah. So NTD type one. Sometimes all of a sudden did as we expected, but the only bad part price never gave us an entry. Not even 180. Prices for the tested here. Next thing because price has rejected engineering. So all in all, it says, I think if this one can break above and above this level, why not sell? That can be nicer. Like to be during agent session. So during agent session, The GPUSD price testing is level, which is quite complex here. If I go back to this today, I can see it close bullish. You see the panic and once the USD price is lower, the price level tested that will be the next thing coming here. Combining ADSD or AD pricing adaptation. Then ADSY may have to press ADSD price expecting when bullish. This is our pivot for price should be bounced from this one by let's see it's price took a drastic sell from this level all the way down here. One session though. We look at you can see price at the normal close, right? I look at my page. In the pump was I'm feeling to analyze it. So you can see the difference. Look at them, you pick up with the same and see how this one closed and see how the other one closed. That's, you can even see price is not balanced, right? If this is where price closed from yesterday, this daily time frame should start at this same level, setting, right? But you can see how price is and why here. So because but if it's following a sticker, then your cut should be in the same direction. But you can clearly see you look at and give you a cut is more of the same, especially from here. So this pair was supposed to close at this point here, not all the way down here. But you still minutes time frame. You can see the difference of the 3 minutes time frame. This one closed bullish, but for this one, this one price is still in this trade, don't worry about this. We still have a chance of price wasn't bullish. Okay, this can happen. This can happen. But price will make two equal lows. Once we get these two equal lows, this will be price to continue buying. Okay, so let's relax and let the market be. Okay, I'll see you at 10. Or maybe tomorrow because I think this can be my last. Uh, you don't see another video and this is the last time. Yeah, but it's a very nice day. Blend a lot to blend that even if prices past all these levels, as you can see, prices past all these levels. Why not expect price can still come back down? Mhm. But the good part is we've not broken below our 4 hour, so it's still up. Okay. But, that's it. That's it.